Hey guys, we're back with Teverun. Today we're unboxing the all-new 2026 Fighter 11 Plus. What does a $25.99 electric scooter actually look like? Let's jump in and check it out. The main upgrade this time is the battery, bumped up from 60V 35Ah to a larger 60V 37.1 Ah capacity. It's also now equipped with the 2.0 system, just like the Fighter Mini Pro and Fighter Supreme Ultra. Its key features center around the smart button. For a full walkthrough, check out the video shown on screen. Alright, assembly is complete. Just switch on the sleep toggle, and the scooter is ready to ride. The handlebar controls are super responsive and easy to reach while riding. The smart button is right here, with its matching icon on the top left of the TFT display. The box also comes with gloves and a charger. That wraps up our unboxing today. See you next time.